Hey, Shannon.
What?
Where are we?
We're in what will be the new Human Spaceflight Gallery. The Human Spaceflight Gallery will include pre-Apollo. So we'll do Russian Vostok Vashkod, obviously. Vostok! Vashkod! And Mercury and Gemini. And, spoiler alert, Chuck, Liberty Bell 7, the spacecraft, is coming back down.
The Liberty Bell 7, the spacecraft?
Yes, on display in our lobby, coming back to the gallery where she belongs.
Where's that gonna be?
Somewhere over here.
So like there-ish.
Yeah, that way. Just look that way and you'll see it. But I am excited about one feature in this space that we got to keep that I think is just really a cool accent. And it's up over here. The hammer
These
and sickle.
archways right here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
The graphics are going to be updated. The artifacts will stay mostly the same. This is what I refer to, or our database refers to, as our Soviet hallway. So it shows a lot of our Soviet artifacts, early Soviet artifacts, so Vostok Vashkod era. And you know, just one of the cool things about that era is that the Soviets really weren't a consumer culture, right? Not a lot of stuff to buy. But one of the things that they did like and that they bought a lot of and that the government allowed to go on were these commemorative items of those early cosmonauts. So in here we have a bust of Yuri Gagarin, we have a plate that you could buy with his face on it, some little pins.
A plate with his face on it?
You've never seen the plate with his face on it?
I've seen commemorative plates, but commemorative plates always weird me out.
Oh,
like
well.
You're eating off of...
So when you walk
Someone's
by, are
face.
you like this? I will not look at this. I don't know, they're just kind of cheap, plasticky feeling too. Just like this mass-produced thing so that the people could commemorate, to be proud of their heritage. So I like those items being in here. Wow, this really only fits your head one way.